Hi, my name is Yeshin Archery. I work for Pilot Crushtec and I've been working at Pilot Crushtec for 7 years now.
Hi, so my name is Jacques Fillion and I'm the General Manager of Highbury.
So to date we've done 300 plus modular plants ranging from 15 tons per hour all the way up to 300, 400 tons per hour.
The modular gave us the flexibility of changing the plant layout and getting something that works for us without having to go bespoke plant design and engineering. So for us it was all about getting the plant in the quickest time frame.
So with this particular plant, from the day we received the order till the day we were ready to dispatch the equipment, it was a total of 4 weeks. Currently in this plant we've got our primary crushing done by a horizontal shaft impactor, our BRO 605. And then on the secondary side we've got a VS 100 VSI. We've got that running on a certain grade of material down to get the material down to a -5 product.
So the relationship with Pilot Crushtec has been one of collaboration, one of problem solving and solution finding, and yeah, we've been very happy to deal with Pilot Crushtec and the engineers.
The flexibility of our modular plant allows us to operate in a lot of different applications. I mean, from your general commodities, minerals, all the way from glass crushing to coal crushing. It allows us to compete on all those fronts, and we basically can process any mineral that's mined.